this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the topics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Connie. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile.
Live from New York City.
I keep on falling in love with Link Up Radio. All right, this is Alicia Keys. You know I got love for Link Up Radio. My man Squeeze on Link Up Radio. Hey, this is Alicia Keys, and you're listening to my man Squeeze on Link Up Radio.
You know, we have to come out with the hype. 6 minutes after the hour, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time. What time am I speaking about? It's the time that you have been waiting for. The superstar in the capacity of personal injury in the tri-state area. His name is Adam Handler. Without any further introduction, or should I say without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's introduce to you none other than Adam Handler on Cruising with the Case Handler. Wagwan, Adam.
I'm giving myself a round of applause while I finish this breath mint. I'm just giving myself a round of applause for putting up with you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm giving myself a round of applause because I feel so empowered for what I've done for this wonderful community. Love doing this show with you. Love embracing this community.
What you are doing for this community.
Yeah. Well, I only look backwards, you know, like tomorrow is never guaranteed. So I can only say this is what I've done and this is what I want to do.
Right.
And what I want to do is make sure that you folks out there have a place to turn to when, God forbid, you're in an accident, whether it's a car accident, pedestrian accident, construction accident, slip and fall, trip and fall, medical malpractice, nursing home negligence. If you've been hurt through the fault of someone else, regardless of your immigration status, you are entitled to money under the law. Help me help you get that money. And you can help yourself by listening to the show, following the Case Handler on Instagram, following the Case Handler on Facebook, saving the phone number, be linked to me, be linked to Squeeze, and you will never, ever, ever have to worry about where to turn when, God forbid, disaster strikes you. So that's the message of the day. And I'm sure you have quite a few things that you want to tell this wonderful crowd out here on this beautiful, beautiful Tuesday morning as to where they can go and where they can turn and what they can do.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Cruising with the Case Handler. You just heard the voice of the attorney, the personal injury attorney, Adam Handler, the Case Handler. Right now, I need for you to note the website, thecasehandler.com. Also, notice Google reviews. Just Google the Case Handler or Adam Handler. Boom, it will pop up. It won't even delay. Remember, it's Instagram, the same thing, the Case Handler. Facebook, the same thing, the Case Handler. YouTube, the Case Handler. And also, once again, remember, each and every single weekday at 8:45 a.m., 8:45, maybe we should change. We should make a nice rounded number. What do you think, Adam?
I don't know. Whatever.
Yeah.
I'm 24/7. I'm 7-Eleven, baby.
You're 7-Eleven. 9:03 or 9 o'clock sounds good, you know. But ladies and gentlemen, I have to actually put this in this. 93.5 WVIP FM in a couple, more than likely, literally, of months will no longer exist as Caribbean programming.
It's over. It's done.
It's over. It's done. Finis. The gig is up.
Adios.
Yep. The gig is up. Now, you might say, so Squeeze, where are we going to find you and Adam? We're there. We're not going anywhere, with the exception of the fact that you can find us on social media, and you want to know what platforms you can hear us on. The primary one happens to be the internet radio program, which is known as Link Up Radio. Download it, go to the app, whatever. You can use Alexa. It's already out there. It's been running for ages. We've built up a huge following on it. It's not like the frequency, I will say that. But unfortunately or fortunately, we have to drive you to the internet radio program because we have no frequency that truly represents us across the tri-state area. So what I'd like for you to do right now as I speak about Adam over the next couple of minutes, I'd like everyone that's listening to us, take some time out and download the Link Up Radio app on your iPhones, on your Android devices, or go visit us at linkupradio.com, or just say, Alexa, play Link Up Radio Worldwide. By the way, Alexa, stop. Yeah, just before you start playing that.
Fun fact about Alexa, all right? So my daughter's name is Alexis, my oldest daughter. I got 3 daughters. My oldest daughter is Alexis. I got Alexis, Marielle, and Drew. And we had to change all of our like Amazon devices to say Echo, because if constantly Alexis, what can I do? It was like nonstop that whenever we mention Alexis's name, something would pop up or turn off or turn on. So now in my house, there's no Alexa. You can't say, Alexa, tune into Link Up Radio. You have to say, Echo, tune into Link Up Radio. Fun fact just about that. I had to cut you off. I'm sorry.
But you can give it another name.
What name can you give it?
Any name you want.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can. You don't have to say Alexa. Or...
Oh, I thought it was like you had a few options.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop.
See? She's annoying today.
Very annoying. But, ladies and gentlemen, the show is about personal injury. But I want you, once again, download the Link Up Radio app. Download it. And as a matter of fact, if you can prove your download, I'm giving everyone a free gift today outside of Adam's programming here. Everybody gets a free gift. Every single person that downloads the Link Up Radio app. But if you get hurt in an accident, you will need this man's number. 844-774-3529. If you check Facebook, we're always going to be on it. There will always be a show on in the morning. So make sure you log on to the Link Up Radio show. Make sure you log on to Facebook. You heard the name, the Case Handler or Link Up Radio. We are going to be streaming every morning, so you can check us out. We're going to have some fun doing it also. With that said, the number once again is 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529 for the top personal injury attorney in the tri-state area and repping New York and New Jersey. With that said, you know what we love to do here. What do we love to do here, Adam? And what is today?
Today is Tuesday, so that would mean Testimonial Tuesday. And we love testimonies because it is truly the best endorsement that any professional, I don't care if it's a doctor, a lawyer, actually, don't even limit to professional. Hardworking individual, a mechanic, a plumber, a construction worker. If somebody gives testimony on your behalf as to the job that you did for them, or somebody refers you to family, friend, neighbor, coworker, that is the highest compliment possible for one to receive. These individuals that we have literally hundreds and hundreds of cases, hundreds and hundreds of testimonials, are so very happy to hear. To let you folks know how they felt my legal services were, how they received exceptional results when, God forbid, that an accident. So we can play. We got a fresh one actually for today. We can play the fresh one. You want the freshie?
Yeah, I want a freshie.
You want the freshie? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, ask and you shall receive. All right. Here we go. Here's the freshie, just posted a few minutes ago, a rear end accident on the FDR, Mr. Denroy, one of the tallest clients we've had in a while. And for those of you watching Facebook right now, you'll see we had to even things out. Sandy, one of my paralegals, she's been with me for years, love her, had to climb on a chair just to be able to reach the same height as this gentleman. So squeeze a great picture. Look at those smiling faces. A $100,000 maximum settlement case in Sandy standing on the chair. You want to read that quote?
Absolutely. Let's just zoom into this baby here. All right. I am very pleased and thankful. Any problems, Adam and Sandy took care of it. The service was great, and they really are an exceptional team. Denroy from Mount Vernon, New York. $100,000 settlement, maximum policy limits, coverage, lost wages. You may need to explain that part right there.
Yeah,
Adam.
I'm going to, absolutely.
Banged up, mash up back of the vehicle. Yeah. All right. This pilot, it looks like someone took a huge tractor front and just crunched it in, But Adam took care of it. Outside of that, he made sure that he helped this couple. And it's a beautiful thing that you're doing, Adam.
Absolutely. So let's just talk about where that 100,000 came from. So he's in an accident, and the gentleman that struck him in the rear had a $50,000 insurance policy. So that is the maximum amount we can get from that vehicle. People always ask me, well, what's my case worth? I have an idea based on what the level of your injury is, what your case is worth, but it's also very, very heavily dependent on how much insurance there is to go after. You can have a multi-million-dollar injury and not enough insurance coverage, and there's very limited things we can do for you. And sometimes we have people that are not that injured, and there's a ton of insurance to go after. So it doesn't always match up, but we make sure we do what we can. So we received the $50,000 from the car. Well, you're saying, well, you just said you settled it for 100. How is that possible? How is that possible that you only had 50,000 from the car that hit you, but you got him 100 grand? Well, he's been listening to this show for many, many, many years. And for those of you who've been listening to this show for many years, or maybe tuning in for the first time right now, there's something called Supplemental Uninsured Motorist Coverage, SUM. Not a lot of people know about it, but here's what that is. For a few dollars more, you can have supplemental insurance on your policy that will make up for the total lack of insurance. Like I say, you're getting hit by a hit and run, or the lesser amount that somebody would carry. So he had a $100,000 SUM policy. So we were able to get 50,000 from the car. You got to get it all. You can't get 49,999. You got to get the maximum amount. And then we looked to his insurance to make up the additional 50 for the $100,000 policy. So he had a $100,000 policy. We got him every penny of it. In addition to that, we got him his lost time from work paid through his no-fault insurance. Ladies and gentlemen, I just had this conversation the other day. When you're involved in an accident, regardless of who's at fault, the other car can be 100% responsible. The other car could be driving down the wrong way of a one-way street and hit you. Doesn't matter who's at fault. Your insurance company pays your medical bills and time out of work. Their insurance company pays their medical bills and time out of work if they have any. And then you go against each other for the injury case. So again, your medical bills are paid by your insurance company. All right, it's called no-fault insurance. In New York, in New Jersey, that's the way the car accidents are regulated. So we got him the full $100,000, all his medical bills paid, all his time out of work compensated. And of course, I love playing these testimonies. Here's what he had to say.
Listeners, I've been listening to the radio commercial with Adam Andler on Irie Jam, and I got into an accident, and I was looking for a lawyer, and I said, "Oh, this is."
And by the way, Squeeze, don't freak out. He listens to us all the time. All right, so it's really the Link Up show that he's referring, but it's all good.
People get us mixed up all the time.
They do. Listen, why not? It's great programming all day long. Whether it's Link Up or Irie Jam, doesn't make a difference. It's out of here. It's out of here in 2 months. You might as well just combine all efforts right now while you can.
Hey,
I never know what to expect when I came here, but from the moment I stepped into his office and he talked to me and went over my case, I know I was in good hands. And every time I run into a problem with my insurance people, I just forward whatever documents I had, and he took care of it. And I'm proud to say that he's the man.
He's reliable.
He's reliable.
He's honest.
He's honest.
And he doesn't give you bull crap. He keeps his word. He's on point, and he always takes your calls. He's never too busy, and he's very pleasant in person and on the phone. He took care of my husband very well, and I highly recommended him. He is one of the best. Adam is awesome.
Thank you very much. And don't forget, any problems you run into, call Adam Handler, the case
He's one
handler.
of the very best.
Thank you.
That's what I'm talking about.
I love it. I love it.
I love that. I love that. I love that. And this is the part where I need for everybody out there to actually get the phone number so you can be one of those individuals. God forbid you get into an accident, that you get the right person to handle your case. And that happens to be, of course, Adam Handler. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Make sure you link him up. 844-774-3529. Adam Handler right here, ladies and gentlemen, taking care of the community. And of course, he will continue doing so. He has made a commitment to actually make sure that we're streaming every single day in one way, shape, or another, getting the message out, being on Facebook, being on Instagram, being on TikTok, being on Threads, being on Link Up Radio, being all over the place to make sure that you know that he's here for you. Once again, the number for the top personal injury attorney is 844-774-3529, or just Google him.
Yeah, listen, now more than ever, ladies and gentlemen, you must know how to be connected to my law practice. So put it this way. If you get into an accident, I am not going to be your lawyer unless you contact me. I don't have people coming up to you at the scene of the accident, rolling up to you in the hospitals. It's unethical. It's illegal. I don't solicit clients. If you want me to be your attorney, you got to reach out to me first. And ladies and gentlemen, like we said, 93.5 FM in the next few months will be going silent with respect to this wonderful Caribbean community in New York and New Jersey. Silent. All right. This platform will be no more. So you must know where to find us. You must know where to link with the best possible option, giving you the best possible solution to, God forbid, an accident. And I would like to think that you folks out there who have dubbed me the people's attorney, who have dubbed me the case handler, know exactly what I'm talking about. So please link me on Facebook, the case handler. Link me on Instagram, the case handler. Check out the case handler online. Google it. Be connected to me. Together, we will continue to do great things together. All right. You'll hear my voice. You'll feel my presence. It may not be on this radio station, but you folks are going to know that there's an attorney out there that cares. There's an attorney out there that's been serving this community since September of 2005, the longest running, most celebrated, most successful attorney on this radio station. And I'm going out with a bang, and I'm bringing Squeeze with me. Who else is coming with us? That's the question I have for you. Who else is coming with Squeeze and I on this next journey, on this next chapter, to the next platform? Make sure you link us.
Everybody is coming. Folks, once again, make sure you download the Link Up Radio app. That's it. It's just Link Up Radio. And make sure you check out the case handler. All you got to do is type in the case handler on the internet. Everything will pop up. It's right there. And we will be doing the show in the morning, but you got to check out us on Link Up Radio, the app. And we've got some very interesting parts of it coming. We got DJ Nico, we got Yvette, we got Adam, we got tons of music, we got news, we got sports, we got everything that's coming.
We got BioLife?
We got BioLife too. It's all being orchestrated. So make sure that you all download the Link Up Radio app. Thank you so much, Adam, for being what it is that you are, my brother, and serving this community. I do appreciate you for that and more. And of course, it's a blessing that we have you here. Ladies and gentlemen.
I appreciate it. Can I do one more 30-second testimony? I always love ending with this one because this guy is just, he's the best.
Wait. Let me tell you something. At the top danda this year, man. When you want to get your case done right and you want your money in your pocket, deal with my main man, Adam Handler. You hear what the name say? Handler. That means he handled his business. So come see Adam anytime. I recommend him. Top notch. Lick shot. Pop up. Watch the ride.
Had to do that, folks. Had to do that. Okay. Adam Handler, man, once again, the most powerful attorney that has ever blessed the radio station, 93.5. And, well, the next journey, as Adam said, and one thing with us, we have been extremely resilient and we will continue to be so. However, we need you. We don't want you. We need you. Stay with us. Stick with us. We'll be there for you. Once again, download the Link Up Radio app. Lock in Adam's handle all over the place. He's a handler, so lock in his handle on Instagram and so forth. With that said, thank you all so much. You have yourself an amazing day.